Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and tonight's video is mainly for plasma cutters, well, only for plasma cutters. So if you're a laser engraver, you can stop watching right now. But I had somebody off one of my videos that I do some plasma cutting on for Corel Draw sent me a screenshot, and it says no object print, export, or save. And so he's trying to save that. So when you go to save a DXF file, you save as, and you go down and change it to DXF, which is pretty cool in Corel. It already exists, and then it's going to come up with this message, and he didn't know what was going on. So if you ever get that message, go to Windows, Dockers, Object Manager, and there it is right there. The curve on layer 2 is non-printable. So now you have to do is just uncheck that. We can go ahead and close that. Let's zoom in here on his part. And now we're going to save it as a DXF. So save as DXF AutoCAD, save, replace, and then it's going to come up with this deal and you just press OK. So if you ever have a problem where it will not save something, that's the problem. Hope that helped them a little bit. Thank you for watching.